Welcome back to another day of spring cleaning motivation. Today we are decluttering my daughter's room. We are decluttering her toys and her clothes. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Becky. I have been posting a video almost every single day in April to give you all of the spring cleaning motivation you could need while also getting my own done. I am not the best at creating schedules and routines for myself, so I asked AI to create me a 30-day spring cleaning schedule, and that is the schedule I have been using to get all of my spring cleaning done. It is already day 22 of this spring cleaning series. I can't even believe it, but if you've already missed the first 3 weeks, because believe me, I know everyone has busy lives and it can be a lot to watch a video every single day, but don't worry, I will be combining these videos into 2 separate whole house spring cleaning marathons. I'm so excited to see those videos come together because a lot of times in some of my marathon videos, I combine previous videos and I will often clean the same room twice within that video. But in these cleaning marathons, they will both be a true whole house deep clean, declutter, and organize. I also know that there are those of you who are completely opposite and you like the daily videos or the weekly videos, just new content in general. So along with the marathons that many of you do enjoy, I will also be posting new content, so don't worry there either. So as you already saw, the first thing I did in this room was just pick everything up. It's really hard to declutter in a messy space, so I just picked up everything off of the ground and put it where it was supposed to go. After picking everything up, the first area I'm decluttering is her nightstand. We used to keep my kids' bookshelf in the homeschool room, but the kids were bringing so many books upstairs before bed or just to read in a more comfortable place. So instead of storing all of the books that they were bringing into their rooms on their nightstands, they now have a bookshelf right outside of their bedrooms.
Don't you care about what people have to say? Let's do whatever, we'll do it anyway. So come with me, are you being shy? Some call me crazy, but it's alright. Cause ooh, here's what we gon' do. Take it to the
Time to declutter her toys. We normally keep all of her Barbie stuff separate from the rest of her toys. So I'm pulling those out of the basket and setting them aside. There's no need to mix them into the big pile of toys when they are already separated.
there's no other way. And ooh, with you by my side, dive into the ocean, let me be your guide. If tonight never comes again, I don't mind. This is not the end. So come with me and just enjoy the ride. Things we're gonna do. What you gotta lose? What you gotta lose? Yeah, what you gotta lose? Come on. Ooh, yeah. Come on, get some more. Baby, what you waiting for? Come on, get some more. What you waiting for? Tonight never comes again. I don't mind. This is not the end. So come with me
After decluttering, I have everything in separate categories. So I have a Lego category, a bags, babies, a pile of stuff that does not belong in this room, a pile of LOL dolls, and a pile of garbage. So I'm just putting everything in this bag to take it to its appropriate place.
But we'll be getting there somehow. Nothing else matters. It all comes down to me and you. Everywhere we go, nobody knows. We're waiting for a sign to let it go and do what's right for us. Started out here, way beyond the tracks.
I'm so thankful that very rarely does Adeline ever put something in her mouth. Besides Legos, Legos are one of her favorite things to put in her mouth, but every other small little toy I really don't have to worry too much about. Of course, I'm always paying attention, but I've noticed that she really doesn't have any interest just putting a bunch of stuff in her mouth.
To get by, we're one step closer to find ourselves a perfect place. A feeling you just can't deny. So come on over, 'cause I could never live with.
I feel like this might be a little weird, but I decided to go through Hazel's dirty clothes before washing them and start decluttering there. The reason being, if we are going to get rid of anything, why even wash it in the first place? I won't be getting rid of any of Hazel's clothes that are in good condition but too small for her because those can be passed down to Adeline. This means that I won't be donating any of her clothes because we're keeping the ones in good condition, so any of the ones that we're not keeping means they are in bad condition and should be tossed.
Everywhere we go, nobody knows. We're waiting for the time to let go and do what's right for us. Started out here, way beyond the tracks. The story of us and now we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life. And sometimes all you need is a smile. You made up your mind just to see it through. There's nobody else here waiting. Just tell me how to get through to you. 'Cause I just wanna get closer. Started out here, way beyond the tracks. The story of us and how we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life. And sometimes all you need is a smile.
If you see me throwing any clothes across the room, it's because Hazel is actually on the other side of the room trying on anything that I'm not sure about. So I'm occasionally throwing her some shorts to try on or a shirt to try on to see if it fits her, and then she will toss it back to me.
'Cause this is our time, this is our life. Sometimes all you need is a smile to get by. When you're alone and feeling down, and you're 10 feet underground, when you're so deep you're about to drown, when you're in the lost and found, 'cause heartaches.
I know we talked last time when I was decluttering Wyatt's room about how shorts last an abnormally long time for children. As you can see, Hazel has a size 2T shorts. I had her try them on, and to my surprise, they do still fit her. She said she wants to keep them.
Only last a day. Ooh, but your heart will never fade away. Go out and find your way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you
Before sorting the decluttered clothes into a keep and toss pile, I'm putting away the rest of the clean clothes. This pile is everything I've decided to toss. It does not fit her and is not in good condition, so everything in this bag will be tossed. Everything in the next bag will be kept and is in great condition. We'll keep it for Adeline when she fits into those clothes. Decluttering Hazel's room was a major success. I feel good about it, she feels good about it, and I'm so happy to have this done. Thank you so much for being here and watching today's video. I hope you got some decluttering motivation from it. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.